There are so many colored wire on the vehicle, and most of us out there don't know what these wires actually mean. Like men, we have the black, the green, the red, and the yellow. So on the video, I'm going to be revealing what this colored wire actually indicates, what their function is, for you to know, so you don't get your car damaged as a result of you not knowing what it actually means. And this colored wire can be classified as follow, which are the white, we have the yellow, the blue, the orange color, the brown, green, black, and brown. Diving in more, we are going to look into all this wire, what component they actually controls, their main function when it comes to car. These are the red. We also have red over here, red, red. So this red color that you are seeing was actually built to supply direct current, like high current, which is for instance from the alternator to the battery, or from the battery to the alternator. The red wire was built for that, which means it supplies high or more voltage, like 12 voltage, to each of these components. And also we have the ignition system, the key switch, whichever you may call it, or possibly also the fuse box. Okay, so it was just built to give current to each of these parts labeled or called. This is the main function of the red wires. As we dive into the next, so also we have the black wires. These wires are responsible to complete our vehicle's current flow. Okay, so the black wires are made to be built to the negative part of the battery, which thereby connected to the chassis or body of the vehicle. You can see this, it's a black wire. It was connected to the body, and in some cases some are connected to the chassis, okay, to enable the current flow from the negative to other part. So the black wire completes the current flow of a particular vehicle, or a complete signal flow to other parts of the vehicle. So many also other components that need constant current flow. Okay, and you can say this is antenna. Okay, and this antenna has a particular wire that was built, and main also a particular colored wire that was built for that. Okay, which would be given a constant flow of current to the antenna. Okay, and these are the yellow wire which I have showed you. So this yellow wire also gives a constant flow of current to a music player also. Okay, this switch are being controlled with the yellow wire. Okay, so any other parts needing a constant flow, like the music player, our antenna, the AC, these things and all that needs a constant flow, and which was designed for a particular wire, which was the yellow. Okay, so a constant flow of current to a particular something just needs the yellow wire. Okay, anywhere you see a yellow wire, it means that particular component needs a constant flow, or is working with a constant flow of current. You guys are the main reason why I'm creating this video. Okay, so if the video was helpful, just do well to subscribe and comment, because this is not the end of the video. Okay, but the effort of you guys will make me complete the video. Okay, so if you want me to complete the video, just do well to comment on the video, continue, and I'll continue with the next part. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Diagnostic.